Hey everyone, today we're doing a box break of Plates and Patches 2011. Here are my buyers. Alright. Alright, our first card is Plaxico Burress for the Jets, number 2/299. Our next card is Matt Forte for the Bears, number 2/299. Dez Bryant for the Cowboys, number 2/100. There is a rookie, Kyle Adams for the Bears, number 2/50. Another rookie. That was a rookie gold. This one's like a silver. Alan Bradford for the Buccaneers, number 2/100.
Seahawks.
Huh? Seahawks. Oh. Yeah, it must have been traded at some point. It's actually for the Seahawks. So, throws you off a little bit when the entire card is for the Buccaneers and it's not actually for that. Next card is Taiwan Jones for the Oakland Raiders, rookie. Pretty cool patch right there.
Auto.
Yeah, it's actually an auto as well. Sorry. Number 2/499. A Daquan Bowers, rookie autograph for the Buccaneers, number 2/150. And a gold Johnny Knox for the Chicago Bears, a jersey there, number 2/50. A Julio Jones for the Falcons, a jersey card there, number 2/299. And last one was a redemption card, rookie number 125.
That is David Asbury.
David Asbury for...
Don't know, we'll figure that out and put it on the video.
I can just swap. Alright, and that was this break, and we'll get the cards out as soon as possible. Have a good day.